Hi and welcome back to my channel. 70% of our planet is covered mostly with seas and oceans. Yet we have only explored a small fraction of what lies beneath the surface. Much of the deep sea remains a mystery. Scuba divers can only go about 40 meters and specialized diving only a few hundred meters beyond that. And that's where underwater autonomous vehicles or AUVs come in. They can work at depths of around 6,000 meters. They look like torpedoes, weapons of war, but these deep diving robotic explorers, they work to observe, measure, and unlock secrets of the ocean, helping us better understand this vast and unknown part of our planet. Unlike remotely operated vehicles or ROVs, which are tethered via cable, AUVs operate independently at far greater depths and distances after being programmed with a mission. While on the surface, they communicate via satellite to send back data or get new instructions. But for the most part, they work independently to perform their mission tasks. They come in various sizes and capabilities, from small units for coastal use to larger models built for deep sea research or defense. AUVs serve as our critical guide in our insatiable search for more security, more energy, and more resources in the underwater world. We seek out much sought after and much contested minerals and ores through them. They assist us to understand and harness the potential of hydrothermal energy sources from currents and thermal vents alike. In the oil and gas industries, they help to build the offshore infrastructure and are vital for mapping the seabed, inspecting pipelines, cables, and other subsea structures. In similar fashion, they serve renewable energy projects in wind and tidal energy. The underwater environment is tough. No GPS, no satellite signals, and near zero visibility. So AUVs employ similar sensors as marine animals do to perceive their surroundings. For example, they use sonar similar to how dolphins and whales use echolocation, magnetic and inertial sensors similar to how fish and sea turtles orient themselves. This engineered sensor fusion enables reliable, accurate, and real-time autonomy. AUVs come in various sizes and capabilities. Some sell for as little as a few $100s. The smaller ones here cost around $70,000, and the full spectrum large models cost around $4 million. They can be configured per requirements and have full sensor and communication stacks. The typical service life of an AUV is 10 years. The global market was valued at about $2 billion in 2024 and is expected to more than double by 2029 and then exceed $6 billion by 2032, growing at about 16% per year. The US and China, along with Germany, the UK, Norway, and France, lead the production and deployment of this tech platform. Today, AUVs automate deep sea inspection and mapping and make offshore industries safer and more efficient. Tomorrow, they will, on their own, crunch data, make decisions, and launch themselves from uncrewed surface vessels. Underwater robotics shows us that their autonomy is more than just self-driving cars and self-flying aircraft. It'll revolutionize how humanity works with the sea. These machines are key to unlocking the mysteries of the deep and the energy resources that we endlessly pursue on land. How we end up harnessing the oceans, given the tough lessons learned on land, only our future generations will tell.